Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 24th of June 2023. So now KLCI, KLSE, KLCI, nothing much to play lah. We know the market is just flat lah. Our institution or our guardian angel is just trying to defend only lah, not letting it dropping lah. Very difficult to defend also because US is dropping, UK is dropping, Asia is dropping lah. So they are just defending only lah, cannot attack lah. But Bitcoin okay, Bitcoin starting to rebound okay, due to this news this BlackRock is applying for this ETF this spot ETF spot ETF. BlackRock is one of the biggest this fund manager in the world so they got very big influence with the US government. Other than that, there's another two smaller one actually applying also for the spot ETF. If this approved, right, you know this Bitcoin okay, will be, how do we call that will be another valuable asset already valuable asset already. There are no more like high risk, high risk kind of product because this BlackRock, right, okay, it's not a small what they call it players in the market they are one of the biggest player fund manager in the market so whenever when they launch this kind of fund, it is spot ETF, right, okay, means okay, this asset is quite secure safe and secure okay. Hopefully due to this news okay, this Bitcoin continue up so never mind, we check out the chart. Okay, we want to see where's the opportunity, where's the danger, where's the how's the sentiment now, and what is the history, right? Of course, from the chart we can see these four things. Okay, let's dive in and take a look. Okay, before that, of course, disclaimer first. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, so this is the news okay. BlackRock files for Bitcoin ETF push into crypto so BlackRock pushing into crypto. Also on the June 15th BlackRock, the biggest asset manager, world biggest asset manager, on Thursday filed for a Bitcoin exchange traded fund that will allow investors to get exposure to cryptocurrency as a class as the asset class comes under intense regulatory scrutiny because now, right, this US is trying to put some regulation because after FTX, right, okay, you know FTX they consider FTX as a fraud that's why he's being charged he's going to jail, all these things because he is using this customer fund to do other things without notifying them, without giving any how do you call it without revealing any details what they are doing with the customer fund, right? So you cannot simply people put fund into your exchange you take out the money and do your own thing, right? So okay, so now they are charging this Binance they are charging Binance similar something like that, so they are using the customer fund to do their own thing, so both also now Coinbase is okay. Coinbase is no fraud charges but Binance, yes, there are fraud charges, so we'll see. If without this type of charges I think this BlackRock news would push this crypto even much more higher okay, because of the regulation, that's why the this Bitcoin okay, slowly only going up slowly going up. If not this type of news would like Elon Musk just talk about want to buy Bitcoin and you see the Bitcoin fly already, right? These are the news that actually, speculation push it very high, you know. So now it didn't go very high, but it start to push up lah. So we want to see the chart lah, see what the chart tell us. Okay, so let's check out. Of course, let's check out Malaysia first. Malaysia first. Okay, hold on. Okay, so let's check out KLCI. Look at the weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart. I told you, KLCI not looking good. Weekly chart, what happened? Okay. Oh, we got a hammer, a big pin bar lah, bearish pin bar lah. So this direction of the pin bar show that 1396 lah. Okay, means the 1004 range Okay, put it 1004 lah, look nicer lah. 1004 too high. Yeah. Okay, nice. The actual line is here lah, but we take it as the 1004 area lah. 1004 area has been rejected. You see, right? Rejected. We see a tail here, a pin bar. Okay, it went through but being sell down. So probably next week, okay, the direction, the stronger direction is going down than going up. I tell you, okay. Probability only, no guarantee. Okay, but probability, the higher probability is going down. Okay, you look at the daily, okay, KLCI, you saw this, right? I told you a rejection of the 1004, then continue with a confirmation candle. Okay, this is a confirmation candle. Rejection, confirmation candle. So the direction next week most likely is going down. Okay. So you see, RSI rejected by 50. Okay, so this is normally it's how do you call it? It's a rejection is what they call it. This one word I try to use it. How they call it? Resistance. Rejected by resistance. You see 50 is the resistance, right? Okay, so when it hit 50, come back down, it break through 50 means always break through resistance. Remember, 50 is always if the price, if the line RSI is above 50, come back to 50, 50 is support. Okay, if the line is if the RSI line is below 50, hit 50, 50 is resistance. Okay, you remember this. Okay, so I share everything, 90% of everything I know. Okay, all the money I paid for seafood for costs for reading all the books I got so many books and make sure the book I don't read one time minimum 4 to 5 times every book I read. The most I read is the flat thumb one, the chart pattern. You see, I use all the chart pattern. That one I read, I think at more than 5 times. I think 7 to 8 times. But now I'm still reading it every day See, I see a pattern. I still open a few weeks. I will open up, refresh the pattern. So I want to make sure everything I can remember I'm not 25 anymore 25 maybe you can remember read one time Okay, but try to read many, just like my course also. Don't go through the course one time thing you understand. I can tell you that's why I make the course. I don't want to go to class, teach you and teach you, go back, you think you remember 20%, that's it, finish, right? Okay, that's why okay, the 15th chapter of the chart analysis I put online. I will link your email. Okay, if you subscribe to the course, I will link you to the course already, so you can rewatch 100 times, 200 times also, no problem. So all this already I already put in the Google Cloud already. I already pay for the Google Cloud, so I put in the Google Cloud, so you can actually watch it every time you see a pattern here. You can go into my video. You don't understand, right? You see a breakup or not? You can go back to my video and watch my video. See, just like I every time I see a channel, I see a certain pattern. Okay, is this correct or not? So I will take the book. Okay, the chart analysis book I got many but the most I use is the flat thumb one. So I will take the book and refresh make sure I remember It's like that one. So don't think you read one time unless you are genius If you're a genius, then you read it one time, maybe you know But I doubt it. I'm not saying you are not genius. Maybe you are a genius, but I doubt it, because this is something new. Even a genius also need to read it a few times to program everything inside. I'm not saying you're not genius. Maybe you are a genius. But I think even genius also, I still recommend you watch the video at least a few times. I read the book every night. So difficult, sitting read. Now I do video very simple, just sit, listen only. At night, sleeping that time, you turn on your phone and take a look. Look and watch until you sleep, right? I normally, last time when I start to learn, the first 3 years, I read the book and sleep. Well, means I sleep, I read until I tired. I was holding those books sleeping one. This you see. Yeah. But now I make it easy. You just listen only. If you don't want to watch also, you just open out. When you take a nap, you just put your headphone, just listen. What I say. Simple. Now with technology, very simple. Last time we have to revise the book. Somewhere every week you don't understand. Every week I do video. You just watch my video. Every channel I will show you what is a pin bar, what is a confirmation, right? What is a downtrend channel, what is a channel. So every week I draw. You don't understand, you watch me draw. Very simple only, right? So I'm not saying, I teach you one time, that's it, finish. Some of my charges is the lowest one. Lowest. Why lowest? Because you guys follow me in my this YouTube, right, for so long, and you already support me so long, and I will not charge you those are fun, because of course I do online, I don't need. If I going to hotel, pay hotel lah, pay assistant lah, pay beautiful girl lah, to answer the phone lah, all these things, then I will charge you that money lah, no choice lah. They have to lah, because so many things. Now simplify everything online. Just like meeting last time, you need to go call everybody meeting lah, schedule meeting table lah, meeting this, meeting that lah. Now we just Zoom, 搞掂. Of course, I still need to charge, because all this Zoom, all this I also pay. Google, Zoom, some more I use 2 years, I'm not wasted. The 2 years very valuable, because all my technique, everything I recorded, Then I push the course to you, so everybody can learn, Everybody, I took 2 years, to write the whole course. It's not very simple, It took me 2 years to write the whole course. Now I can share it with everybody, Everybody can learn what I learned. So really worth it, really worth the time, worth the effort. And because I utilize technology, I utilize the latest technology, I don't need to charge you 5,000, 10,000, for the course. Okay, and somehow you don't listen to the course. Every week I also do this, but the course got some. If you really very serious, if you occasionally investor, and then okay lah. If you very serious one, you have to go to the course. But the course got something that something extra that is quite important. Okay. Okay. So KLCI, so bearish. Okay. So we see this small cap. Small cap is just ranging. You see this? I tell you one thing. This is what railroad track. You see, it's just like a railroad track. How the railroad track, right? Railroad track, right? Yes, like that, right? So you see, okay. This is a railroad track. Means market it's not moving up and down. It's just flat, Okay, and small cap. Small cap, we are looking at weekly. So weekly now it's starting to sideways a bit, starting to make a bit of a railroad track. So it's just holding. Okay, so look at the sector. Construction. Okay, so construction is flat. I told you, construction, no doubt it got small rebound, but it is the whole thing is still a sideways market. Okay. Consumer, we know middle of the year you don't expect consumer sector to go very strong. Okay, normally beginning of the year during Chinese New Year, Raya that time, and then after that slow down. Then end of the year, end of the year, Christmas, all these. Before that it will start to move normally Okay. Okay, look at energy. Energy, we know now the price already. The oil price is not going high, so we know that it's not doing anything except now slightly going down now at the bottom. Maybe small rebound, yes, but you don't expect it to be very strong. Okay, and finance. Okay, finance, small rebound. This is not good. Hopefully finance don't drop anymore next week. If we drop back inside this channel, finish. RSI above 50, we want to what we hope is that if it is starting to retrace, we hope that RSI will come back to 50 and rebound at 50. Means it got support. go back up. Okay, so watch RSI next week for finance. Finance, if RSI break below 50, stay below 50, finish already. Also cannot. Very difficult. Behind market, we know that KLCI should be dropping next week. So very difficult to hold the line. Quite difficult. Healthcare also dropping to the bottom. We hope that healthcare can rebound at least 1670 lah. This area 1670, this area rebound. This bottom channel rebound. Okay, it dropped below bottom channel, finish. Drop below bottom channel, finish. Drop below bottom channel, then I think it will continue down. Okay, then we pick. As I said, after that day, we see that this bad news about this top glove. Don't hold anymore. Leave it. Okay, wait for it to finish all this bad news, all the selling finish. Okay, all this selling, people panic selling finish. Then we're gonna pick again. There is a possibility, as I said, all these big institutions hammering all this healthcare to very low price, right? They keep on giving bad news. They want to push it very low price before they want to sapu out. We are retail, we all scared, we always sell. They make bad news, make it drop lower, they sapu, okay, buy all your selling, then they want to push it, then they push it up again. It's like that one, big fish eat small fish, I told you. So we are the small fish. So we sell first. We wait for the big fish come in, want to eat. That time, the big fish start to move, then we follow. Because we got the chart, right? Plantation is still sideways. Industry, we know industry already dropped, so not very strong. You see the green color got 75%. Plantation sideways. Property possible still holding at this 686. So property still got chance one. It break out, still got chance. REIT is still dropping. Technology already got rejected at 63. I said this is 63 is the judgment day for the judgment area for the FOMC. Okay, FOMC came out hawkish, means not good for the market. So now it's dropping. Telco, we know it broke outside this channel, so also KO going down. Transportation, we know the breakout, but it's not very strong. It's going sideways, but it did break up, but it's not very strong. Okay, because very difficult to go up. Why? KLCI is not strong. Utility, we saw head and shoulder here, looks like it's going to drop some more. Okay. So don't forget, before you jump to the global, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell. Hit the subscribe button. We are closing into 13,000. But still cannot hit the 13,000. So don't forget to hit the subscribe for me. Okay, hit the subscribe, support the channel. Also don't forget to like, share, and leave your comment. Want to open an account? You must try this CGS-CIMB. One of the top platform in Malaysia, and also can buy US stock. You want to buy US AI stock? All those CGS-CIMB can do it. It can play CGS-CIMB platform, can play Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US stock, and the fee is very low. Okay, one of the lowest. Okay, so don't forget. You can try this one. 0.25, 0.2. Okay, US 0.25, Singapore 0.25, Hong Kong 0.2. Okay, just there's a link at the bottom there. Click the link. Okay, click the link at the bottom. This video description area, this finger pointing CGS-CIMB, you click the link, fill in a few questions, a few information, submit, then my friend this CGS-CIMB will call you up. Okay, CGS-CIMB reminder will call you up and open an account for you. Okay, and everything done online, no need to go anywhere, at home also can open. And this is, make sure this is legal one. Okay, approved by SC one. Okay. Okay, let's jump into the global. Everyone want to see this global only now. Bitcoin very hot, breaking through 30,000. We see dollar first. US dollar getting stronger. Okay, US dollar got rejected. US dollar actually broke out from a downtrend channel. Okay, so US dollar in the short term is getting stronger. Okay. It haven't go through 50 yet, RSI, that's why. If it goes through 50, then it should be even much more stronger. So it's not go through 50. Red color momentum also not yet. Okay, so we have to wait and see. For now, in the short term, it turned bullish. US dollar. Okay, look at Australia. Australia force break. Okay, triangle force break above triangle. I said This one very important, 7381. Okay, if we go through 7381 means it's on the bullish run already. So if it cannot, now it's coming back down. So Australia negative, FTSE UK broke below the channel already. Okay, FTSE, okay, broke below the support trade triangle, break below the triangle, broke below the triangle. So this is negative. Look at DAX. Okay, DAX also double top. Okay, double top. Okay, also looks like it's going down. So you know now the global market is dropping So there's a possibility, right? All these some of these funds they take out their money from the stock market, they put into Bitcoin. That's why Bitcoin is suddenly so strong. Semiconductor index, we see a double top here at the RSI, means the divergence. Okay, the chart going higher, but the RSI not going higher, so there is a possibility of a retracement. I do think it is possible it drop back to the bottom channel. Okay. Nasdaq also you see price going high, but not the RSI. Okay, so RSI almost slightly almost same high. Okay, so most likely it's coming back to the bottom channel. Okay, I think it's coming back for the bottom channel, but due to the nature of this uptrend, strong uptrend, I don't think this one until it break through this trend line. Okay, even though it come back to here, it's just a retracement. I do think that the market might rebound until end of the year, until US go into recession, if it is going to go into recession. Okay, so maybe end of the year, maybe next year. Not so soon because now the US market is very strong. So possible there is a retracement. Let's see S&P also. Okay, but S&P no divergence. So S&P most likely, I do think that S&P will come back to retest this 4188. Okay, 4188. This support. Okay, it will come back. It most likely will come back. Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones got stuck here at this neckline. So probably it got stuck at neckline. Maybe it cannot go through. It will come down, continue this sideways. Continue sideways. Everyone to know Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin. Okay, as I said last time, my last requirement of the bullish market for Bitcoin. Remember, I did a video on Bitcoin. Okay, a video on Bitcoin, solely on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the gold, right? Okay, so I told you the final one, it meet all the three my requirement for a bullish market. The fourth requirement, I said, wait, the last one is this one. Okay, the 200 EMA cross the 89 EMA. Okay, cross the 200 EMA. This is what I always use for long term. Okay, so here is a cross. Okay, here is the cross. So after the cross, this is just a retracement. It's going up again. Okay, so let's do this is a flag. Okay, no doubt it have a triangle here So after the triangle, it did drop. I show you the triangle and it happened at the top channel, so it's coming back down. One touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, breakout. Okay, so this is a breakout pattern. Okay, so how we measure the target? Remember? Okay, here. Okay. Okay. So target should be at the top channel, 35,000 area. 35,000 area. Okay. So this one, there could be a retracement now because it got stuck here. As I said, if this type of flat pattern tak jadi, right? Tak jadi, if you get stuck and make a double top, normally it will be like that. Make a double top, then it come back down. Okay, then you have to be careful. Then it break out from this uptrend channel, then you be careful. Means KO. Or they back out from this neckline, means KO. Okay, KO. Okay, but now, okay, it's testing this 30,000 area. Whether it can go through, we have to still wait a bit and see. And we maybe want to wait for the weekly candle. Means today, the weekly candle, okay, this weekly candle close tomorrow, Saturday, okay, it can actually stay above of 30,000, stay above at 30,000. Okay, now not yet close. Okay, so 30,000. If we can stay above, then we got chance. Okay, we got chance that to go to go to 35 lah. Why I put 35? 35 is the channel, top channel. Okay, our channel pattern, remember, one of my best strategy is a channel pattern, right? The channel, okay. So, why bottom channel? So top channel, so the breakout, okay, so it should come back to the top channel, okay. So as long as you stay inside this channel, the long-term uptrend is intact. If you are buying long-term one, you just hold, hold for long-term. If you are trading short-term, then this the next target will be around the 35,000 area, on a bit. Yeah, around 34 to 35 lah. I don't want to say it's exactly 35. So sometimes it might drop over there. But you have to watch the double top if you cannot go through. Okay. But you see now overbought, so there could be a retracement down, okay, before it goes up again. Then we see the red color momentum already almost reached 75, already go through 50, so this is quite strong. Look at Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum also break out. Okay, Ethereum also break out. Now it got stuck here at the 1896. Okay, the previous high here, it got stuck here. We got 2 pin bar here, so there's a lot of selling over here. If it can go through, there's a chance that it can continue up to the top channel around 2002. Okay, around 2002. Litecoin, okay, Litecoin also not yet break out. Okay, Litecoin is making triangle. Once it break out from 95, it should got chance to slowly continue up. So let's see the next one, SRP. SRP also still stuck at this channel. Okay, this long-term red color box. So you need to pump above this one, 0.54. 555 only, it got chance to continue go lah. So this one, because their case not yet settled, they are waiting. I think their case almost out already. Okay, the verdict for this with the SEC lah, they are better with SEC or SEC. Okay, let's go through the next one. Commodity, okay, aluminium. Oh, aluminium KO already. Head and shoulder drop below the neckline, aluminium finish. So watch these P metal, all these be careful. Okay, PMB Tech, all those be careful. Okay. Steel, steel just heading down, still nothing much. Look at the steel price. Look at the Shanghai steel price. Industry metal, sorry. Okay, dropping, nothing much. It's just continued drop. Look at the China steel price, got slight rebound, now going down again, looks like it's turning down again, so nothing much for steel. Okay, nothing much to talk about. FCPO also just a rebound, then coming back down, not strong. Copper rejected. Okay, top channel, that's why I say copper got a lot of resistance. Top channel rejected, is coming back down already. We got a pin bar and a confirmation bar. This is a classic classic confirmation. Just now we see KLCI also happened. This is more classic, this is even bigger. A rejection pin bar, then a classic confirmation. Okay, so this one very likely it continue go down. Go have to take note. Go this sideways. You see the weekly candle is railroad track. Okay, it's something like a railroad track. 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar, all lining parallel. Okay, now broken through. Okay, broken through. So very likely it's coming down for the next level, which is 1880. If we break below 1880, it even can come back to 1808. Okay, so we now got chance to buy a cheap gold. Okay, 1008 will be very good. If we can come back to 1008, will be very good. But looks like it's coming back down. You have to take note. If you already buy high one, maybe you take some profit or take money first. I think it will go down for now. Okay, silver. Okay, silver, we got a bear flag. We got bear flag. Okay, we got bear flag. Okay, so this one likely is coming back to the bottom channel, 21 area. Okay, I think 21 area, if we rebound, okay, then we still on track for this long term uptrend, but we can buy at a cheap price already. Okay, so you see this one, the long term trend. So if we rebound here, means it's still on its way on the uptrend. If we break below, don't. If we break below, don't buy. Don't play. Means you want to go lower, we can buy lower. Okay, if we rebound here, means finally we can. I waited so long. I said we want to wait for cheaper silver. 21 is a very good area to pick some. If we drop lower, maybe I'll add some at a lower price. Okay, similar to gold. sideways. This crude oil is just sideways. Okay, look at US stock, Apple. Okay, Apple still holding high. Okay, still holding high. It's very very strong. People still FOMO. People still buying at this high. I don't understand. People are still buying at this high. I don't understand. Don't chase in at this high. Apple, I already told you already. Head and shoulder, right? You already take profit here already. Already take profit here already. So this one is crazy. Chasing here is crazy. Chasing here, yes. Okay, chasing at 150, I told you. Head and shoulder, yes. Until you sell here, it's okay, but don't chase now. AMD. Even though it's going up, AMD, you see, KO already. We see a divergence here. I told you, AMD, KO already. Coming back down already. Okay, KO. Now coming back to the bottom channel. I told you already last week. Okay, Broadcom also making lower low. Okay, Broadcom also divergence coming. Okay, looks like it's coming back down also. Amazon. Okay, Amazon is still like also quite high. I think Amazon is almost time for a retracement already, so don't chase already. Alibaba. Okay, Alibaba is holding the head and shoulder. Okay, that day I draw the head and shoulder line wrong already. Now I corrected myself. It's here. So it's still holding above the head and shoulder. As long as it don't drop below 82, then it's still okay. Google. Okay, Google. Google is still quite strong, but I think a retracement coming. Okay, our triple bottom already hit target, so I think it's coming down for the retracement already. Grab is just BURSA. Grab is actually retrenching. Their workers. Intel, okay, Intel is it big bearish engulfing, okay, big bearish engulfing coming back down, but it's still on the uptrend, the uptrend is still intact, okay, but want to buy, wait for a drop first, wait for a drop, we see a channel, we see a channel, okay, Facebook, okay, Facebook still holding high, okay, so this one, Facebook is just crazy, Facebook, I think they want to launch some more Twitter, they want to launch a platform to challenge Twitter, so this now the biggest news, the big news in tech is that this Elon Musk and this Zuckerberg want to go for a cage fight so they one leave a tweet so the Elon Musk will reply, let's go for a cage fight, something like that now this Facebook also reply, come on, so now they are now they are talking about a cage fight real one happen we don't know but in the social media they already started, Elon Musk and this Zuckerberg already started a cage fight they want to go for a cage fight because this Zuckerberg want to create launch a platform to how to call it to compete with this Twitter. Microsoft also still very strong. Microsoft, of course, Microsoft got AI, right? So, but we are seeing divergence here. I think Microsoft also almost time to retrace already. Look at Micron already start to retrace. I already told you last week. Nvidia also. You see, Nvidia we got divergence, so time to retrace. So if we start to retrace, it will drop quite far because there's a gap here. When you start to close the gap, it might drop back to 280. Tesla is very strong. I told you head and shoulder. Okay, it's heading to target, not yet, but it's close to the target area. Now we got divergence here. Maybe there are retracement. After retracement, I think Tesla still can go up. Tesla, Tesla did a lot of price cut. So they are killing all the other. They are trying to kill all the competition. Because Tesla, when they go in first, their cost is lower than all the other these EV maker, right? Except maybe China one. So they are trying to kill the competition. So the competition now, right, in US the EV makers, right, Ford GM all these if you compare the cost of creating the factory, making the factory, battery, all this every car they sell they lose money, and they lose a lot of money selling every EV. It's like that one at the beginning, right? Because the cost of building the EV factory, everything you have to cost in. So every car they sell, they're losing a ton of money. But because Tesla already passed that, so now Tesla, every car they sell, they're making money. That's the difference. BYD, I don't know whether they every car they sell, they're making money, but I do think so China, their cost is very low in the States, the cost is very high. Unless maybe they go to India, they won't go to China because China is a competition, right? maybe they might plan to go to India like now. Modi actually asked this Elon Musk to go to India. Zoom, okay, Zoom is holding the, I think Zoom, as I said, long term, it might be heading for a U-turn. Visa, bank is nothing, no need to cover, it's just flat. Bank will not go anywhere now. Dropping actually on the bank, dropping. Because now, last time, Jerome Powell say, what? He said the bank should be resilient to fight the interest rate or this increased interest rate. But then the last meeting he said we have to wait and see the result. Means he's not so confident about the bank can actually tahan all the high interest rate onslaught. So so that's why now the bank also okay. And the JP Morgan say what hurricane, all this, everybody scared and JP Morgan say brace for 6%, 7% interest rate. So there's possibility he say so that's why market okay. So that's it for today. Don't forget support the channel, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.